Welcome to our journey through the animal kingdom. From the depths of the oceans to the treetops of rainforests, our planet teems with an astonishing array of creatures. Today, we're uncovering 50 animal facts that are so strange you might think they're made up, but they aren't. The octopus, a master of disguise and intelligence, possesses 3 hearts, 2 for the gills and 1 for the rest of the body. Cows form strong social bonds and have best friends within their herds, experiencing stress when separated. A group of flamingos known for their vibrant pink plumage is aptly called a flamboyance. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins, remaining submerged for up to 40 minutes. The mantis shrimp delivers the fastest punch in the animal kingdom, creating cavitation bubbles that generate heat and light. Butterflies use chemoreceptors on their feet to sample the chemical composition of surfaces, essentially tasting their food before consuming it. Sharks have a lineage that stretches back further than the existence of trees, appearing around 400 million years ago. Snails can enter a state of dormancy, sealing themselves inside their shells and sleeping for up to 3 years. Koalas share a surprising trait with humans, fingerprints with intricate loops and whorls remarkably similar to our own. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep to prevent drifting apart in the ocean currents. Male seahorses carry fertilized eggs in a pouch on their belly, providing nourishment and protection until the tiny seahorses hatch. Kangaroos, with their large tails and muscular hind legs, are unable to move backward. A group of crows is referred to as a murder, reflecting their complex social interactions and problem-solving abilities. Turritopsis dohrnii, a species of jellyfish, can revert its cells back to a polyp stage, essentially turning back the clock on its life cycle. Pandas spend a significant portion of their day consuming bamboo, needing to eat vast quantities to meet their nutritional needs. Some species of frogs can freeze solid during harsh winters, entering a state of cryogenic sleep. Elephants communicate over long distances using infrasound vibrations too low for humans to hear. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of sustained backward flight thanks to their unique wing structure and rapid wing beats. Cows exposed to slow, calming music tend to produce more milk, suggesting a link between their emotional state and milk yield. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, thousands of years old, and found it to be perfectly edible. Male penguins present a pebble to their beloved as a courtship ritual, symbolizing a promise to build a nest and raise a family together. Lyrebirds can imitate a vast repertoire of sounds, from the calls of other birds to human-made noises, including chainsaws and camera shutters. Axolotls can regrow lost limbs, tails, spinal cords, and even parts of their heart and brain, making them a subject of fascination for scientists. Ostriches can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, outpacing even horses over short distances. A group of jellyfish is collectively known as a smack, evoking a sense of their ethereal nature and their potential to deliver a stinging surprise. The blue whale's heart weighs approximately 400 pounds and measures as large as a small car, pumping vast quantities of blood throughout its massive body. Starfish lack both a brain and blood, using a network of nerves throughout their body and seawater to transport nutrients. Tigers' skin beneath their fur also bears the same distinctive stripes, much like human fingerprints, making each tiger's pattern unique. Octopuses use their ink to paralyze a predator's sense of smell, giving them a valuable opportunity to escape under the cover of darkness. Male emperor penguins incubate their eggs for 2 months without eating, relying on their fat reserves to survive and protect their precious cargo. Some species of lizards can breathe through their skin, absorbing moisture and oxygen from the air, reducing their reliance on traditional respiration. Dolphins possess a complex communication system that includes unique whistles for individual identification, allowing them to address each other and maintain social bonds. A group of porcupines is aptly called a prickle, with their sharp, barbed quills making them a force to be reckoned with. The peacock mantis shrimp holds the record for the fastest punch in the animal kingdom, with its club-like appendages striking with a force equivalent to a .22 caliber bullet. Cats lack a crucial taste receptor sweetness, which may explain their indifference to sweet treats. Baby puffins, called pufflings, hatch in burrows on islands and coastal cliffs, where their parents diligently care for them until they are ready to fledge. Wombats have a unique claim to fame. They poop cubes, a result of their unusual intestinal structure, helping them mark their territory. The narwhal's iconic tusk is a single, elongated canine tooth that can grow up to 10 feet long, serving as a sensory organ and a symbol of status. Cheetahs, the fastest land animals on Earth, lack the vocal cords to produce a true roar, communicating through chirps, purrs, hisses, and growls. Hoatzin chicks possess claws on their wings, reminiscent of their reptilian ancestors, helping them climb trees for safety. Sea cucumbers can liquefy their bodies, expelling their internal organs through their anus to create a sticky distraction while they escape. Snails possess over 25,000 microscopic teeth arranged in rows on a ribbon-like tongue called a radula. Goats have rectangular pupils, providing them with a wider field of vision to detect predators approaching from various angles. Giraffes possess prehensile tongues that can grow up to 20 inches long, used for grasping leaves, stripping branches, and even cleaning their own ears. Female lions do the majority of the hunting, using their agility and teamwork to bring down prey and ensure the survival of the pride. Oysters can change their gender depending on environmental factors and resource availability, switching between male and female throughout their lives. Some species of turtles can breathe through their butts, using their cloaca to absorb oxygen from the water and stay submerged for extended periods. Horses and cows can sleep standing up by locking their legs, but they need to lie down for deep sleep, known as REM sleep. Caterpillars undergo a dramatic transformation inside their cocoons, breaking down into a soupy substance called imaginal cells, which then reorganize to form the beautiful butterfly. Rats laugh when tickled, emitting high-frequency chirping sounds that indicate positive emotions and playfulness. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the animal kingdom. We've explored just a glimpse of the fascinating and often bizarre adaptations that animals have evolved to survive and thrive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts and stories about the natural world.